If you've never tried homemade naan, this is your sign to make it. This recipe is super simple and easy to follow, and with just a few ingredients you'll get soft and chewy naan you can enjoy by itself or served with creamy butter chicken. Here's everything you need: room temperature water, plain unsweetened yogurt, melted butter, sugar, instant yeast, salt, and bread flour, also known as hard flour. Start by adding the water to a bowl. Add the yogurt, sugar, instant yeast, and the melted butter. Make sure the butter has cooled down completely before adding it. If it's too hot, it can kill the yeast and the dough will not rise. Give it a quick mix, then add the flour and salt. Mix everything until a dough forms. This recipe is really easy. You can make the dough by hand, but if you have a stand mixer and you want to use one, just add all the ingredients to the bowl of the stand mixer and knead for about 6 to 8 minutes. If you're kneading by hand, knead for about 10 minutes until the dough is soft, a bit smooth, and the dough is slightly elastic. It's okay if the dough is not completely smooth. After kneading, add a little bit of oil to the bowl, then place the dough back in, cover and let it rise for about 1 to 1.5 hours or until it's doubled in size. Once the dough has doubled, gently stretch the dough out like this. You'll notice that the dough is much smoother and less sticky at this point. Transfer to your work surface. You can add a little sprinkle of flour if you need to. This recipe makes 6 medium naans or 4 large naans, but you can easily double, triple, or even quadruple the recipe if you want to make more naan. Shape each piece into a dough ball. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get them as round as you can. Cover again and let the dough rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the gluten time to relax, making the dough much easier to roll out. Roll each dough ball into a circle or oval shape about 1/4 inch thick. If you have a tortilla press, you can use that too. I picked this one on Amazon a while back and it works really well for getting an even thickness. Before rolling the dough, start preheating the pan. You want the pan really hot, so let it preheat for about 10 minutes before cooking. Place the rolled dough on the hot pan and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. As each naan comes off the pan, transfer to a plate and cover with a clean kitchen towel or place in a Ziploc bag while you cook the rest. This helps lock in the steam, keeping the naan soft and warm. While the naan is still hot, brush generously with melted butter or even better, garlic butter. My garlic butter is just butter mixed with roasted garlic, a little salt, and some chopped parsley. Enjoy your soft, chewy homemade naan on its own or serve with creamy butter chicken. You'll find the full recipe in the description box below or head over to kikifoodies.com for the detailed written recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for your support and I'll see you in the next video.